Hey, what's going on, guys? Scuba Steve over here at Koala-Tee Performance. Today we have a lot going on. We finally got the subframe bushings from Flex for the Mark III subframe, so shout out to them. As far as we know, they're the only company that does polyurethane bushings for the Mark III, so we'll definitely drop a link in the description for that. We also had the evaporator show up for the heater box, so we can finally get that in, and the dash bar and the dash. We're hoping to get the interior in today as well. But other than that, I mean, there's not much really going on. So we're just gonna get right into it, get the subframe in the car and back down all fours. So, you know, let's do it.
What's going on, guys? So, got a little issue with the subframe going back in right now. Kind of supposed to take the steering rack out and put those bushings in there a little bit better, but we cheated and just kind of lightly tapped them in around the rack. So now we're just going to try to jack the rack up past the bushing notches so we can literally just use the bolts and the washer to cinch everything up. Yeah, let's get to it and see how it goes.
What's going on, guys? As you can see, the car is back down on all fours finally. It's on the dollies. We can push it around nice and freely. We had a little bit of trouble getting the subframe on. The coilovers were hitting, so when we lowered the car down onto the subframe, it kind of pushed it out of alignment and pushed the bottom subframe bushings out. So we had to deal with that. I'm sure you'll see it in the video. But other than that, the car's mobile again. So we're gonna get into the interior. We're gonna rebuild the heater box, get the evap in, and get the full interior hopefully in tonight. So make sure to look out for that video. Check us out on our Instagram, Koala-Tee Performance as well. And once Josie shuts the up with the air gun, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, guys, and let us know if you hate it, don't hate it. Just let us know what you guys want to see. Later.